G'day, Stephen from the National Livestock Reporter Service here today to talk to you about how best to use the new cattle and sheep market reports on our website. The new market reports have a number of different features, including an opportunity to play an audio version of the market commentary, the opportunity to choose and select different markets across Australia and across states. In this case here, I'm going to choose one of my favourite yarns, SELX Yas, and of course being able to look at historical reports over the last 2 weeks. So here I'm going to choose the 10th of this month. As you can see, we have the market commentary, including the total yardings for that sale on that day, and below we have some deeper analysis around both the category breakdown and the types of buyers that are operating in that market today, along with some summaries around category types, average weights, so prices, as well as across the buyer types. For those people who like a little bit more data, we have a feature up here which allows you to click through and drill further into the actual weight types, categories, and fat and muscle scores. Of course, the opportunity exists here to further drill into that data by selecting both categories and sales prefixes that best suit your needs. Okay. As always, if you wish to clear these, there is a simple eraser feature which allows you to go back. Okay. Some of the new features that we've integrated recently include the opportunity to actually export the underlying data sets. So if we were to hover over the top right hand corner of this field here, clicking on those 3 dots, I can export the data and select whether I would like that in the current format or in a summarized form. And then of course I can choose Excel or CSV. Additionally, that feature also exists for underlying data sets. This particular feature is of use for those people who want to dig further into the data to create their own analytics and or charts. Thanks very much for your time today. Take care.